Everyone, Extreme Crypto. Yes, you're seeing it correctly. The word free. We don't get much free these days, but now there is something for free. A free crypto trading bot. Meaning no monthly fee, and it can work on your behalf. So how did this start? How did I find this bot? Well, I've been looking around for more bots to go with the ones I'm already in, and I came across this article, Best Bitcoin and Cryptocurrency Bots. And it was only written on the 22nd of July, meaning it's a brand new article for 2021. The top option they're giving is Pionex. And we'll look at Pionex. The second one is Crypto Hopper. I'm still playing around with it, haven't found the right option that's benefiting me. The third option they're giving is Bitscap. And I've been with Bitscap for months now, and it's generating me brilliant profits. So I can't complain about Bitscap. The fourth one is Currency. I'm still working with it, just can't find the right settings because you need to do it. And the fifth one is CoinRule. Sixth place is Free Commas, which we all know has been around for a very, very long time. So I've been looking through these options, and Pionex gave me something interesting, which I'm really looking forward to using and testing. If we go to the Pionex page, it gives you 12 free built-in trading bots. Now, Pionex, if you do know crypto, you'll know it's an exchange out there which gets its funding from Binance. So this is a platform where you can trade, and like trading on Binance, the only difference is they're giving you the option of using different bots as well. Why not ask a fee for the bots? Well, they'll make profit out of the trading fees like any other exchange. And by having bots to trade for you, give them more capital that's running through, more trades that gets done, which help with the benefit of the trading fees. And that is how it's profitable for Binex. And that's how they can afford not to ask a monthly fee, meaning you can put your capital in and you can have a bot trading for free on your behalf. We go down to the page, it says Grid Trading Bot, and that is one we're going to look at because they have a unique grid trading bot. They have arbitrage bot, trade with USD, but I want to go down. The main thing is here, they've been running for 773 days, so they've been around for a while and they've made a name for themselves. They're not the biggest exchange out there, but they're building up. When looking at CoinMarketCap, they have Pionex there, and with a volume of 1.3 billion is really good in my opinion. And the about section of Pionex, it says Pionex is a centralized exchange that provides 13 types of crypto trading bots within the exchange. It launches on 24/6/2019 and is based in Singapore. Pionex aggregates the liquidity from Binance and Huobi Global, which allowed each user to have a better trading experience with great liquidity. Pionex only charge a flat 0.05 fee on both maker and taker orders. Now, for an exchange to ask that kind of fees, it's really low. And we're looking at using the Grid Infinity bot, which will generate them funds as it moves forward. Now, why is the Infinity Grid bot so unique? Let's see what it says. Infinity Grid Trading Bot. Why do you need Infinity Grid Bot? The Infinity Grid Bot is a premium version of our grid trading bot. With the Infinity Grid Bot, you never have to worry about the price exceeding your grid price range. Now that's important. A lot of grid bots, the market jumps, it can run out of range. If the market drops too far, it can run out of range. But this bot works with the market. You give it the X amount of money to trade with, and it will make sure it keeps that amount inside the grids the entire time. So yes, you need a little bit on the side if it drops too low to use, but the bot uses the funds, put a bit aside, and do it on its own. How to use the Infinity Grid Bot. In comparison to the normal grid bot, the Infinity Grid Bot doesn't require you to put in numbers. It works with percentages, and its price range has no upper limit. That's a unique option. It can keep on going up until your minimum trade size gets too expensive. Here they give you options on how to trade it, but I want to go down to the example. Example for using an Infinity Grid Bot. Let's say you have $500 and you want to create the Infinity Grid Bot for Bitcoin USDT. While the current price of Bitcoin is $10,000. For example, you put your lower limit at $9,000. Your profit per grid is 1%. The total investment it can use is $500. Once the bots will buy some BTC, let's say for $450, it will keep $50 in case the price falls. Because the lower limit is below the current price, the bot will then make sure your BTC holdings will always be worth $450. In our example, that means once the price rises 1% and reaches 10,100, the BTC value would increase to $454.50. It will sell some BTC, so the remaining BTC will still be worth 450 USDT. Sell 450 USDT of BTC in the case. So your BTC and USD value remains 450. The USD amount in the bot would be 50 plus 450, which is 54.50. When the price rises another percent, it will sell a bit again to keep your Bitcoin value at 450. So you will still have Bitcoin worth of $450 and $60.05 on top of that. Once the price starts to fall again, the opposite will happen. In short, whatever the price does, the Infinity Bot will make sure your BTC value in USDT always stays the same, and with every change you make a small profit. The bot will keep doing that infinitely as long as the price stays above your lower limit. Now that sounds good. I have to test it out because you can allocate the X amount of money to this bot and it will keep on working on your behalf. Now, I've created myself an account with Pionex. I funded it. As you can see, I funded it with $600. I'm going to open two bots and give them each $300. And let's see how they work on our behalf. Now, the moment you click on trade, it will open this page. You can choose trading bot or manual. On manual, you can do normal trades. When you click on trading bots, we can go down to the Infinity Grid Bots because this is the one we want to use. You click on create. As you can see at the top here, I've already chosen Bitcoin BUSD. We tell them to create. Now the USI strategy is a strategy they're giving. You can use that strategy, but it might be too expensive. Or you can use your own strategy. And I'm going to be using my own strategy, which I'm setting myself. As we can see, the current price of Bitcoin is 38,456. So let's see. Let's say the lower price is $25,000. And then we put in a percentage grid. As you tick it along, it will tell you how much is the minimum investment needed to trade to grid sizes of 0.1. Now, I'm not going to trade 0.1. I'm going to make it a lot. Let's see, 1% gives you $286. But my thought is to use 1.5% grids, meaning we need a total investment of $191 minimum. And that will give you a range for it to fall to $25,000. Now I've allocated $300 for 2 pairs. I'm going to put in $300 and I'm going to click create bot. In order to start GridBot, you need to buy 0.005429 BTC first. We'll buy it for you with the current option after you confirm. It can go ahead and buy the create it successfully. And as you can see, the bot has started. Now we can just let it run and see how it ends up. So the first bot has been created. Let's see, switching to Pro. All right, the first bot is created. I'm happy with it. And oh, I can even share my settings. Let's see, download picture. It's just showing my current results. So we'll go out there. And now the second one I want to create is Ethereum BUSD. We'll go to Ethereum. It shows it there. And then you can click at the bottom and we got it back to trading bots. I'm going to set it myself again. I'm going to put the lower price at 1,500. And then I'm going to take my grid percentage to 1.5. And it shows me I need minimum of $217 to create or use this bot like it's set up. I've allocated $300 for this bot as well. I put it in and I'll create it. Now, how do I don't have enough balance? Let's just make sure and see what just happened. Let's refresh the page because I've only used $309. Ah, I see what happened. This investment used $309 of my balance and I have $606 in. So let's go to Infinity Bot again. We'll say create. We'll say myself. As you can see, I got $295 available. So we'll set it to myself. Lower price is 1,500. The grids we're going to do at 1.5. And there is my available balance. I didn't look for it before. I'll put in 295.94. And this should be able to start a bot. In order to start GridBot, you need to buy ETH. We'll confirm that. And as you can see, the bot is active. So both bots is active. I'll let it run and we can see what it does and what kind of returns it gives back. I'm looking forward to seeing what this bot does and how it's going to work. Will it profit? Will it not? In my opinion, I reckon there's going to be a great profit bot. As you currently can see, there's my grid setup. It sets it up on its own and it works accordingly to that. This is the Bitcoin BUSD's chart, and when I go to the Ethereum chart, there's my setup as well. So in this range, it will allocate grids for me manually and on its own, and it will structure it so we keep on making profit. What's your thoughts on this bot? Will it work? Will it bring in profits? I'll keep you updated and we can see what happens. Leave me your comments, concerns and ideas. Will it work or will it not? I'm looking forward to using the Affinity Grid bot. Have a great one.